Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Yes, in this video I'll be teaching you how to set up a multiple Gmail account, how to create another Gmail account for yourself. So let's go right away. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you smash on the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a valuable video like this, you will get notified. And make sure you like this video. Make sure you like this video. So let's continue with today's tutorial. So you click on, let's go to Chrome browser, then type sign up, sign up Gmail, sign up Gmail, then it will bring you something like this. Can you see? Then you click on create account. I have a lot of account already, so since I'm creating another one, so just don't worry. Just click on add account to device and then allow it to load. Apply my pattern. I apply my pattern. Yes, my fingerprint. Yes, so that's open. So instead of, since I want to create another account, then I click on create account. Then click on create account. It will ask maybe for yourself or for business. Type for business for myself. Sorry, myself. Then you type your name, the name you want, the name you want to put to the email. Hope you are following, and make sure you watch this video to the end so that I can guide you step by step. Here you can put your real this thing. Gender, name. Then you click on next. So you suggest different. You can pick from the one selected for you, or you can create your own. If you want to create your own, then you click here. But I'm not creating anything. I like this, so I have clicked on it. Then you type next. Then now you have to create the password that you want. The password that you want for the email. Okay. Now here is asking for phone number. It will just skip the process. Do you get the logic? So you skip the process, that place that is asking for phone number. Use okay. Then click on next. Then I agree. Make sure you agree to all the terms and conditions. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. The account is up. Yes, you can see now that our email account has been set up. Can you see it here? Our email account has been set up. That's just it. Very simple as that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. And let me know, comment on the comment section. Just type Gmail account. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Okay, let's open the account so that I can check it that it is functioning. Let's open the account. Can you see it's loading? It's loading. Check it. Can you see? So this is standard email account. The ones I have there before. So this is how you can do. You can have a numerous account on your own too. Maybe you need it for different purposes. You get it. You don't need another new phone number. That's just it. Make sure you share this video to your friends. There are a lot of people out there that want to know about this video. Don't keep this video. Make sure you share it with them. Thank you very much. Bye and God bless you. See you in my next video. Subscribe so that and turn on the notification bell so that you can see my next video. Bye for now.